this is a study experiment, and this is for cut section of diesel engine. See, you can see here, this is the cut part of the diesel engine. So as you say that the diesel engine, fuel injector will be there here. Okay, fuel injector will be here. If it is a petrol engine, spark plug will be there. Since it is a diesel engine, fuel injector will be there. And this is the piston pad, and this is the cylinder and the connecting rod, and this is the flywheel, and this is the gear mechanism. So these are the things, and the inlet and the this is the inlet valve, and the outlet valve is here inside. Okay, these are the main parts of this, and we will be taking reading here. So when the piston is at the top dead center, so we call this as when the piston is at the top dead center, this arc will be at 0. So you can see this pointer will be at 0. See, now the piston is at the top dead center. When the piston is coming to the bottommost dead center, so that is called as bottom dead center. So this part we can say it as a bottom dead center. Okay, so now we have moved the this flywheel. So why we use flywheel? Since this is a 4-stroke engine, there are only one power stroke and 3 other strokes are dummy strokes. So power has to some energy has to store in flywheel, no? So there we are using a flywheel in the 4-stroke engine. In case of a 2-stroke engine, for only one cycle, one power cycle will be, a power stroke will be there, one dummy stroke will be there. So there we want to use a flywheel. Okay. So now from the beginning I'll start. So now you can see the piston is at the top dead center. Okay, when the piston is at top dead center, you can see the arc reading. I have fixed it to 0. So you can vary this, but while taking reading you should fix it to 0. Make sure that it is 0 when the piston is at top dead center. So now you can see here I'll give a rotation of 180. So if we'll give a rotation of 180 degrees Celsius, what happens? Piston is moving now. Piston is moving. If we'll give a rotation of 180 degree, piston will move towards the bottom. So this is the maximum point where the piston can move. Here onwards again, see, you can see it will come up. So this is called as bottom dead center. So when it is at bottom dead center, the angle will be at exactly 180 degrees Celsius. Sorry, 180 degree. Okay. Then again I'll give a rotation. So if I'll give a rotation, you can see that inlet valve it is closed position. Even the exhaust valve also is in the closed position. See, now the piston is at top dead center. You can make a note that one rotation is done. So one rotation means it is almost 0, like 360 degree. Okay, next one more rotation I am giving. If I will give one more rotation, see, piston is moving downward. See, you can see here the exhaust valve is operating. Actually, as per the theory, this exhaust valve should open at bottom dead center, but it is hardly it is opening. So that's what we are studying in this experiment. Comparison between the experiment and theoretical. In practical application, what happens? In the exhaust port and the inlet port opens early and closes early. See, you can notice here. Still, we have not reached the bottom dead center. Already this exhaust valve is open. Okay. So now, you can see the reading 180 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. Okay, 180 degrees there. Piston is at the bottom dead center. Again, I am moving it this to another 180 degrees Celsius. See, you can notice this. The exhaust port is closing. You can notice this here. Exhaust port is closing. So now it is closed already. But as per our theory, it should close at this point. So it has closed little early. So that point we can mark it. So that point is almost at 360 it should close, but it is closing at 330 degree only. Okay. Come. Next cycle. I am again I am closing. Again piston is moving up. See, you can notice that. See here now you can notice that the inlet port, this port, no, it is operating now. See, actually inlet port should open exactly from this top dead center, but little early it is opening. How much it is opening little early? So that angle. So how much is this angle now? 350. But as per our theory, it should open at 0 degree. It is opening at 350. So inlet port is opening little early means minus 10 degrees. 10 degree. Okay. So now again next cycle. Same way next cycle. See, inlet port you can see. Inlet port open, exactly it should open and close at the bottom when the piston reaches bottom dead center. But see, you can see it is already closed. It is already closed. There is no, even if I'll go up and down, you can see. So it has to close at exactly at 180 degree, but it is closed at see 170 degree only. So because it has opened before 10 degree, no? So it is closed at before 10 degree. Actually, as per theory, 180 it should close. So now it is at 170 only. It is closed. So that is what we are going to take the reading in this experiment. Actually, this is a study experiment. So based on this, we will be drawing the graph.